new version of the Android in the Redmi. If you have updated your version to the MIUI version global 12.5.5 stable, then there is also an option of the floating window notification. That is this. The main feature of this is when you tap on the floating window, it will slide to a corner. Then you can also start any app with it. If you want to do something at this, then you have to tap on it, and then if you don't the work is closed, then you can put it to the side by in the corner, and it will slide to slow to the smaller. It will also on automatically if there is some notification from the same app will come, then you can slide it to the downside and it will start at the bigger screen or the smaller screen. Then you can also do the same work with the other apps.